We get asked all the time from our clients, find me that perfect family home. You know, the one you can raise kids, quiet cul-de-sac, you know, has a walkout basement, developed basement, views, the whole thing. I mean, that's a real specific list, and for good reason, and because today we are showing you this house here in Nolan Hill. We are back with another episode of Moving Up, where we show you some of Calgary's best properties that are ready for you to move up to. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss any future property tours that we have for you. Welcome to Nolan Hill. Nolan Hill is one of those areas that is really enhanced by the surroundings that it's a part of. I mean, who doesn't want to live here and fall in love with this, right? But not just that, it has a lot of amenities that are very similar to inner city. You can walk and get your groceries. You can go for breakfast on the weekend, grab that brunch spot. There's so many things you can do here. And before I let you fall in love with this home in Nolan Hill, I want to show you around the community a little bit. This is the ravine that is right behind your house. You just come down the path and here you are. This is your backyard. Take strolls with your dog, your family, and the best part of all is you have amenities right over there. It is getting cold outside, so let's head into the property and warm up by that fireplace. Oh, that was cold. All right, so I don't know about you guys, but in our family, we stand in front of the fireplace like this. Just don't get too close. But anyways, this home is incredible for the busy and large family. Why? Because you got 4 bedrooms upstairs and this massive living area. So you can find big spaces like this to celebrate with family when you have gatherings, but you can also find incredible little nooks and crannies that are going to give you the space and the time that you need to yourself. The owners have done some amazing updates in this kitchen, from the granite countertops to the new cabinets. Now, you may be looking at this kitchen and it looks bright and white and fantastic, but there is actually a walk-in pantry right around the corner here, and it's like 3-sided. It's huge. With your wall ovens, your microwave, your fridge, and this ceramic cooktop, your appliance package is on par. So at the back of the house, right against these east-facing windows, you have your nook. Now this is a fantastic area that you can sit in the morning, have your coffee, and have that sun coming in. And the best part of all is you could have 2 dining areas here where you do have that front flex room. So you got the living room up here, your kitchen, your nook, but back here, you can do whatever you want here. You don't have to have a whole den. You don't have to have a dining room. You don't have to have a toy room. You could have any of them because this space could be used for whatever you want. The connectivity of this space is incredible because you have your pantry, you have a little den area right there. If you choose for the kids, you come through the kitchen and then all the way back to the front room, right? And so when you're in this front entrance, it actually connects right back up here with a powder room, entrance to the basement. And let me tell you, you're gonna love this space. So if you've enjoyed this main floor, I don't want you to miss the best part, so don't click off the video. You got it? Let's go upstairs and go check out this space. Welcome to the upstairs of this incredible home, where you can, behind me, see right over here is the master suite. But we're not gonna get to that quite yet because I wanna show you every single room here is so connected. You have this whole little private space back here for all 3 of these bedrooms that share a bathroom. And the best part of all, you as the owner of this house are way over there. Welcome to the Master Retreat, where this oasis of a space awaits you. You have a ton of space to fit your king-size bed, east-facing windows, a 3-way fireplace. Huh? Who doesn't want that, right? And right beyond that is your ensuite, where you've got a jetted tub, double sinks, stand-up shower, and so much more. One thing that I actually forgot to show you is this little secret den right over here. Most people turn this space into their laundry room, but these guys developed it out as an actual upstairs den. So whether you're relaxing, reading, playing with the kids, or just having some time for yourself, you can see how easily you can find a space in this home that you can call your own. I hope you enjoyed this property tour here in Nolan Hill. This home is amazing and is ready for you to move up into. So if you want to see it in person, or if you have a home that you would like to get showcased in another episode of Moving Up, just email us at info@chamberlaingroup.ca. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Moving Up. Now, if you want to subscribe, you can do so right here. Over here are other property tours, and this is just a video we know you're going to love.